Hey there, it's Mike from Tech Minded, your AI brain for automation. I help professionals like you harness the power of AI to streamline both work and life tasks, making digital automation simple and stress-free. If you're ready to work smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button, and let's transform your productivity with AI tools.
Imagine a world where your tasks are effortlessly managed by a smart digital helper. This isn't a fantasy, it's AI agents in action. AI agents are the ultimate assistants, available 24/7, ensuring you're never overwhelmed by your responsibilities. Whether you're a small business owner or a busy professional, AI agents can help you work smarter and save valuable time. From drafting emails to organizing your calendar, AI agents are designed to simplify the most complex tasks in your daily life. Getting started with AI is easy. First, assess the tasks you do regularly, identifying which ones cost you the most time. Next, choose the right AI tools that align with your specific needs and seamlessly integrate with your daily workflow. Once you have your tools, it's time to learn. Engaging with AI requires clear communication and understanding of how they operate. As you begin to use your AI agents, it's important to monitor their performance and continuously look for ways to enhance their effectiveness. To maximize efficiency, start with one simple task you frequently handle and watch as AI transforms your workflow. Remember, working with AI isn't just for tech experts. It's accessible to anyone with basic digital skills. Embrace the future of productivity today.
Thanks for learning about AI automation with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on the latest AI tools and automation strategies. Want to learn more? Check out the links below for my free AI implementation guides and recommended tools. Let's make technology work smarter for you. See you in the next video.